Crystal and Emily here with Wilbur. He is a boy and about 110 days old. So starting off, we have the thymus gland right here, which produces white blood cells. And then around the heart is this sac called the pericardium, which protects the heart from friction. This is the heart with the left and right atrium and the left and right ventricle, two of each. And the pulmonary trunk is up here, which takes blood from the heart to the lungs. And then the aortic arch would be at the top around the aorta. And the abdominal aorta would be behind the heart, which takes blood down into the lower part of the body.
Wait,
The ductus, the ductus arteriosus is up here, which takes blood from the lungs back to the heart. And then the anterior vena cava and the posterior would be behind the heart. And the common carotids are these red arteries up here. And the intercostal arteries are in the ribs along the side. And the jugular veins, they are blue, but we can't find any in our pig right now. And around the heart right here are the lungs, and it has 7 lobes compared to the 5 lobes that humans have. And the trachea is by the larynx, which takes air from the mouth to the lungs. And the esophagus is right in here, which takes food from the mouth to the stomach. And the larynx is right here, which is the voice box. And then right down here is the thyroid gland, which releases hormones.